In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quote in Zoho CRM Full 2026 Guide. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Zoho CRM account and that you have permission to create quotes. It also helps if your products or services are already set up in your catalog, since you'll be adding them as line items. Start on the home page of Zoho CRM so we're all in the same place. From here, head to the Quotes module. Depending on your layout, you'll find quotes in the main navigation. If you don't see it right away, it may be tucked under the More menu or grouped with other sales modules. Once you're in the Quotes module, click the Create Quote button. This opens the quote form where you'll enter all the necessary details. Take a moment to look over the layout so you know where each section is located. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive subject. A simple naming convention can save you time later. For example, include the customer name and a brief product or project reference. Then, select the related account. Linking the correct account ensures the quote is tied to the right company record and pulls in existing details, which keeps your data clean and reporting accurate. Next, choose the contact name associated with that account. This is the person who will receive or approve the quote. After that, add your line items. Click to add products or services, specify quantities, and confirm pricing. If your organization uses discounts or taxes, you'll typically see fields for those here. Fill them in as needed. Watch the total section update automatically as you go, and double-check that currency, quantities, and any price book selections are correct. If you spot an error, it's faster to fix it now than after saving. Set the valid till date to define when the quote expires. This creates a clear decision window for your customer and helps your team prioritize follow-ups. Choose a date that aligns with your sales cycle and delivery timelines, and give yourself a small buffer so you're not rushing to reissue the quote. When everything looks good, click Save. If any required fields are missing, Zoho CRM will highlight them. Fill those in and save again. After saving, your quote record is created and ready for internal review, sharing, or further actions based on your process. You can always return to this record later to make updates if the scope changes. That's it. You've created a professional quote in Zoho CRM, tied to the right account and contact, complete with accurate line items and a clear expiration date.